Hi viewers, so in this video we are at Runwal Gardens residential project located in Dombivali Mumbai, and from here you can take the view of phase 1 of Runwal Gardens. So some finishing work is going on. And this is the project site of Runwal Gardens phase 5. So digging work has started. The project offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK flats for the residents. And in front of phase 5 we have the phase 1, 2, 3 and 4 of Runwal Gardens. So this project offers various indoor and outdoor amenities for the residents. The landscape garden and a beautiful pond inside the project society. So guys, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.